Hey guys, how's it going? Well, you just bought your brand new OnePlus 8T and well, it comes with the all new OxygenOS 11, which is fantastic. In fact, I already have a video talking about some of the best features about OxygenOS 11. But in this video, I'll be talking about some of the new apps that you should install on your OnePlus 8T right away to make the most out of the experience. These apps will help you type better, make your device look better, make your work easier, and even allow you to have some fun. This is Varun from Guiding Tech, and you're watching my list of 7 of the coolest and easily the best apps that you can download and install on your OnePlus 8T. Let's get started. Okay, so the first app on this list is ProPix, which is easily one of the best wallpaper apps for anyone using the OnePlus 8 series. The app comes with a huge collection of hole punch wallpapers in full HD and even 4K resolution that fit your OnePlus 8T's hole punch camera perfectly. You won't even have to mess around with other apps that are designed for, well, Samsung devices, because the ProPix app works perfectly for your phone. Just select the wallpaper you like, apply it, and done. Your notch or punch hole camera should be hidden seamlessly into the wallpaper. Moving on, we have Notepin, which is, well, it works on one of the most simplest concepts out there, but it does it so very well that it has easily become one of my most used apps in the recent times. The idea here is that we all take notes and we all have a set of favorite apps, but the issue is that we usually forget what we wrote. Notepin basically pins your important notes into the notification bar. As such, each time you open the notification bar, you'll be reminded of the task or basically whatever you noted down. You can even customize your notes based on their priority, namely high, medium, or low, and each note will show the assigned priority next to it. Trust me, we all use notification bars more often than one might think, and this is a very handy way to keep reminded of your important tasks. Next up, there's Typewise. See, I personally use Gboard, and I know a lot of you guys, even I have recommended to use SwiftKey. But having used Typewise for, well, quite some time now, I can safely say that I don't think I'll be going back to Gboard. Typewise is a keyboard made for two-handed usage, but trust me, before you think of it as a deal breaker, the features here will definitely appeal to you. You get larger keys that are easy to access and tons of actions that can be customized with the help of swipes. You can use swipes to delete text, undo text, capitalize text, open emojis, and whatnot. The app doesn't take any permissions, so even your privacy is secured. Now the honeycomb layout here might seem a bit weird at first, but trust me when I say this, you spend a day with this keyboard and you won't regret it for sure. Of course, if you still prefer going for Google Keyboard or SwiftKey, we have dedicated videos talking about some of the best tips and tricks for both of those keyboards, the links to which will be in the description box, so make sure to check them out. Okay, so my launcher of choice has always been Nova Launcher, but lately I feel with all the new added features and even the support for third-party icon packs, OnePlus Launcher does the job quite well. However, if you're looking for a truly different kind of an experience, how about giving All-in-One Launcher a shot? The All-in-One Launcher is, well, all about showing everything possible on the home screen. You can find frequently used apps, notifications, time, weather, date, alarms, timers, mails, calendar events, Google Feed, even your Twitter feed, and whatnot. Now there are also quick actions like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. And to find all your installed apps, you can swipe from the left or you can even search for them. And that's not all. Heck, if you're looking for some of the most unique launchers out there, we have another video talking about some of the best unique and bizarre looking launchers that are actually that good. So make sure to check that video out as well. Okay, now I've made it no secret that my personal favorite photo editing app is Snapseed. The app is frigging great and all the features there are professional features that are available for free. The only downside to that is, well, the fact that the UI can get a bit too complicated for a lot of new users. Now, if you don't want to fiddle around with a lot of settings and you don't want to waste a lot of time going through that learning curve, how about checking out PixArt? The app is easy and straightforward to use with all the options that are neatly laid out in the front, and you simply have to pick as per the requirement of the picture. Now thanks to its myriad filters, effects and tools, the app is one heck of a powerhouse. And the ability to create stickers and replace backgrounds makes it an easy recommendation. Now OnePlus 8T's screen is great for office work as well, but obviously you need a good office app for that. And well, that's where Microsoft Office comes in. After being in beta for quite a while, the company launched the full-fledged single version combining all of its Office apps. You get Word, PowerPoint, Excel, along with the ability to open PDF files as well. Heck, even Office Lens is included as a part of the overall Office app. The app even allows you to save them easily to your cloud storage or share them with other users. It's easily one of the best, it is the best free Office app out there, and you should definitely check it out. Okay, so this last one might come as a bit of a surprise. See, it's no doubt that OnePlus has been working a lot on optimizing its own messages app to, be able to identify your OTP messages, transaction SMSs and whatnot. Sadly, the OnePlus 8T comes with Google Messages and not OnePlus's own messaging app, which is a big bummer. But to be very honest, even if it came with OnePlus's messaging app, I would still recommend that you went with Microsoft's SMS Organizer. Microsoft's SMS Organizer, which, well, as the name suggests, help you organize all your incoming messages to make your inbox clutter-free. The app categorizes all messages using machine learning and sorts them into separate tabs. Personal messages into the personal tab, transactions into the transactions tab, and all remaining spam goes to the promotions tab. And the best part here is that the app does not notify you of these spam messages. So you can be sure that you won't be distracted by all the notifications when you're trying to work or just trying to focus. And well, that was it. As always, you can find all of the download links to all the apps that I talked about in the description box. Also, if you have any more suggestions about some apps that you should be installing on your OnePlus 8T or any other device, any new device that you buy, and we haven't included it in our list, make sure to comment down below. And well, who knows, maybe we'll include it in our next upcoming list. Till then, this is Varun from Writing Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.